This video is created solely for educational purposes and does not constitute financial advice. All financial actions are your personal responsibility. Before starting, ensure you understand and are prepared for the risks. Imagine you have just 5 minutes, and that's exactly enough time to achieve these results. It might seem too fast, but let's just test it. The timer is ready, the experiment begins. Hi, I'm Evelyn. Today we're doing a mini challenge. We'll show how in just 5 minutes, with a clear strategy and calm approach, you can make decisions and see results. No rush, no fluff, just focus, logic, and a working tool at hand. I'm setting the timer and getting started. Ready? Let's go. Alright, let's start by selecting the pairs. Now the indicators. For this analysis, I'm using a strategy based on 2 indicators, the alligator and RSI. Their purpose isn't to predict, but to help structure price action and identify the most logical direction to trade. How I use them? The alligator shows the prevailing trend on the chart. If price stays consistently above it, I consider long scenarios. If below, short. RSI is my secondary guide. It helps gauge whether there is momentum to continue the move or if a reversal is likely. I analyze the 30-second time frame, but execute trades on the 1-minute chart. This balances flexibility to spot dynamics with patience to avoid rushing. Important. When price briefly dips into the alligator, it doesn't always mean a trend change. I always check context, prior price behavior, momentum, and overall structure. Before starting, I set a 5-minute timer. This isn't just a countdown, it's a personal challenge. How much can I achieve in 300 seconds with full focus and a systematic approach? Trading isn't a race, but short intervals like this reveal your discipline. Timer started, let's go see what happens. Opening a short position. Price is currently above the alligator, uptrend, but RSI nears the upper band and starts curling downward. A quick upward spike appears, then reverses a classic retracement opportunity. This is where I enter short, following this strategy's logic. Perfect, moving on. Another short here. The broader trend is down. There is a minor upward pullback, a counter-trend blip. Price approaches a prior reversal zone, so I short into the dominant trend. Good, keeping the pace. Now a long. Price is choppy, sideways, hovering near the range's lower boundary, a prior reversal area. RSI touches oversold levels, often a short-term reversal signal. Volume isn't overloaded, so I go long, betting on a range bounce. Great team, all going to plan, staying sharp. After a pullback, price resumes its uptrend. The alligator confirms, its lines fan upward again. RSI also turns up after a pause. Logical to follow the trend, I enter long. Nice. Time left, let's maximize this. Speeding up, switching to 30-second halts to fit the experiment. The trend remains down, price below the alligator, RSI steady under 50. I short. A reversal attempt fails quickly, and the downtrend continues. Incredible! Look how much we did in 5 minutes. No magic, just years of honed reflexes. Mind-blowing. That's it, timer stopped. I hope you enjoyed watching this little experiment. We weren't aiming for records, just showing how, even in a short time, you can build a consistent approach if you stay focused and don't rush. If this style resonates with you, calm, logical, and detail-oriented, you can join my community. There, I share my daily process, explain my decision-making, and show how to use these tools at your own pace. All materials are available via the link in description and pinned comment. Just check it out and see how it works. Thanks for being here today. See you in the community.